guys, welcome to week 7. Don't have really anything planned. We did some grocery shopping this morning, and Piper and Betsy up at the park. They're stopping by the camp store to do a couple things, and I'm just staying back, relaxing. I did cut the lawn here. Now before people start getting all, oh, you're on restrictions and blah blah blah. The lawnmower weighs like 10 pounds, and it doesn't. It's not hard to push. I mean, it's a little electric one, so I can't just sit here and do nothing. So I did that, and of course that now I'm a little bit on the tired side, so I'm gonna read, find some new stuff, and maybe some new content for some future videos. So other than that, sun's out, but it's still only like 61, I think, right now. We might get 66. I don't know. Tomorrow's June 1st, and we might hit 70 by then, but it's been a very chilly May. So hit some rain on the way up. And kind of damp yesterday and all that. So little hazy here. We have some of the smoke coming in from the Canadian fires. So other than that, just no activities going on here. I think there's a hot dog food truck here, but I'm not having hot dogs. So anyway, get to my book here, and anything more adventurous happens, I'll make sure to get it on camera here. Hey guys, for week 7, nothing else happened. Sunday I put air in Piper's tires. That kind of just drained me. I ended up having to lay down for a bit, and we came home. So really not much to report for week 7. So week 8 we won't be there. Week 9 will be Father's Day weekend, my birthday weekend, and Margaritaville. So stay tuned for that. Until then, happy trails.